And in today's training session, MMT learn about how we need to do very in-depth training by engaging with our subordinates so that we can come up with a proper development plan for them and bridge gaps for competencies, which is the most important thing for my daily work or in my factory.
So today I attended the TNA workshop from MMT, and I would like to say thank you to MMT for the great and enjoyable training. So they have done a good job. I really learned a lot, and I believe that I can apply the knowledge and also the skill in the company. And thank you.